Hi everybody, how are you doing tonight? It's Mia Whispers and I am going to be showing you this Dreamlight Valley game from Disney, and I got this because I really love Disney and I've been looking at this game on YouTube and it's so adorable. Honestly, I can't wait to play this. So this is the cozy edition, and this contains the bonus digital content contains 5 animal companion skins, Cheshire cat sweater, cottage house style, 14,500 moonstones, and including in the box is 1 of 6 collectible posters and exclusive sticker sheet. This does not have a game card, it's a download code only. On the back here we have Live Your Disney Dream Life. As you can see, she's doing gardening. I think she's restoring the Disneyland. So it says garden, fish, cook, and customize your valley to live magically. So we have I'm gonna open it up. So I really like this background. We have a gloomy kind of background with like the castle, and it's all very dark. So obviously the game kind of starts like this and she has to restore it again. I almost gave you my access code. It's on the front bit here. This booklet here, we have just how to redeem the code. Then it will show you what is included. This is a different language. So this is the poster, which I will show you in a minute. Then we have the stickers here, and we've got Wally, Mickey, we've got I don't know her name, the mermaid, we've got Scar, and Ronald. Is that Ronald? I don't know, it's the grandpa. And then we got the mouse, I don't know his name. And then we also have Stitch, I think. So yeah, these are some cute little stickers that you can keep. This is usually where we have the memory card, but I don't know why they've chose not to give out. It's really strange, I think, personally. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you this poster. Love the aurora lights. So this is the Dreamlight Valley map, and we've got here, we have the Forgotten Lands, the Vitali's Mine. I don't know what that is. So then we have Sunlit Plateau. I don't think I'm saying this right. The Plaza. We've got the castle here. The Frosted Heights. Forest of Valor. Mystical Cave. Dazzle Beach. Peaceful Meadow. And Made of Frost, I think that says. So this is a really pretty poster. I think this is the map of the game maybe. And then we have the really pretty poster, and Mirabella, my daughter, my 2-year-old, she is obsessed with Mirabella. She even has her hair and she puts her glasses on. It's so cute. And then we have this as Mirabella's house. So I wonder if you can create these type of homes. Then we have Mickey, Minnie and Mickey, and a lovely cozy cottage home. And then I think this is Moana. I'm sure that's from Moana. And then I love how she is wearing the Mickey Mouse ears. I think that it's so cute. What I love about this game is that you can dress her up in so many different outfits. We have Olaf here, and I'm not too sure who this is. Is he Alice in Wonderland? I don't know. So this Dreamlight Valley poster is really nice, and I'm gonna try and order the connector so I can record gameplay. So I would love to show you playing on the game. That would be really cool. If you like that type of stuff, I can show you more games that I buy and stuff. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you like this unboxing of a game, and just let me know if you would like to watch me play this game as well. Good night.